How to enable smart anti-tracking in secret mode only on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and click these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find scroll down, here you will find it, browsing privacy dashboard. Click on it and then click smart anti-tracking, and here you will find it secret mode only. Click on it and then now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.